Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna review this laser pen. I brought it from Wish. In the picture it shows it turns out matches, and I'm real honest about my reviews. Okay, it's looks nice. Has the button, is pretty big, pretty nice. I'm used to having the little small ones that I had when I was a young kid. This one has the clip. You can clip it onto things. They use 2 AAA batteries. Now, it's very bright, if you can see. No, it works. It works as a pointer. And now, I looked at it and the picture says, basically, you point at it, the lowest point will turn the match on. I had 2 different matches, big green one and I have the white one. I tried, as you can see, it's pointing every way, and I even put it inside just to see if it does spark, and there's nothing on this one. So I said, maybe this match is too big. So I said, let me grab one of these white ones. And basically I did the same thing over again, and as you can see, I could put it real close, leave it there, it does not turn on. I could leave it inside, doesn't turn on. So basically, don't go by the picture, they kind of fool you, but as a pointer, it's excellent. That point is excellent. I'm gonna turn off my light. I'm gonna show you how it looks in a little darker. So that's the lights basically off, and that's the pointer. Still bright. Let me that's the pointer, and I like to be honest, I paid, I think it was $2, $3, something like that. And I really thought that it probably would spark the match on. And it wasn't a bad idea, but it doesn't. Also, be careful to point in people's eyes. It can damage your eye. And that's about it. Well, I'm just trying to let you know that don't go by the picture. Well, like and subscribe. Be careful, don't point in people's eyes. It says it right there. But otherwise, as a pointer, it is good. Thank you.